today inaugurated two branches in the city of Hyderabad. One of them is at Madhapur, known as the Cyber Gateway branch, and the other one is at the city center, just next to the city center shopping mall in the busy area of Hyderabad. Both these branches have a different accent. We are basically catering to the Cyber Gateway branch, which has been opened today at Madhapur, is going to cater to the younger age population which is in the IT sector residing in those areas to meet their banking needs. The city center branch is basically to meet the needs of the business community around this area, as well as of the high net worth individuals who are residing around this area. And to facilitate that, we are providing almost all the loan products in terms of for the SME segment, as well as the loan and deposit products for the retail segment in terms of gold loans, housing loans, car loans, as well as the various deposit products, including an accent on cross-selling by providing some counseling in terms of the investment opportunities for mutual funds, for life insurance, as well as for providing credit cards and such other facilities, financial services. The unique, as I mentioned, was basically to meet the requirements of the business community around this area, as well as of the high net worth individuals which stay around in this area. Well, we are looking to have a very robust sale on this Akshaya Tritiya, and the bank is coming up with some very good schemes in terms of discounts available on the purchase of gold on Akshaya Tritiya. We have adequate arrangements in store at our designated branches to meet all the requirements, and we will ensure that whoever comes to State Bank of India to buy gold on that day will actually be having a very good experience in terms of their purchases. I can also mention that the gold quality that is sold at State Bank of India, apart from the guarantee that is carried with it, also has the highest possible purity, and therefore I would request that all the customers and the others, the general public of Hyderabad, they should look forward to acquiring gold from State Bank of India on this auspicious day. We have a very strong portfolio in gold loans, both in the retail segment as well as in the agriculture segment. What we have actually analyzed the strategies followed by the private sector competitors, by the NBFCs, and we find that it is basically the turnaround time which is material. In our case, we have made some good assaying arrangements for the checking the purity of the gold, as well as the loan documentation has now been made very painless, because by merely feeding, we have a software whereby we merely feed the basic details about the constituent and the weight of the gold which has been deposited. The entire documentation comes out with that, and it gets done in a jiffy. So the experience of purchasing, taking gold loans from State Bank of India is also now very healthy, and we have done tremendously well, particularly in our rural areas where this software has actually managed to bring a lot of customers, and we are particularly advising that you please compare our turnaround time vis-a-vis the competitors. Also, I can tell you that in terms of the rates of interest, we are not usurious, and our rates are definitely much more reasonable than what you get from the private sector. Thank you.